Hi, everyone. Welcome. Today, I wanted to stop by to talk about what I'm doing lately. One of the things I'm doing is I'm enjoying listening to Father Thomas Dubay talk about contemplation and John of the Cross and Teresa of Avila. Father Dubay traveled around the country for many years, and he talked about, he did retreats and talked about, especially about contemplation, contemplative prayer. And as far as I'm concerned, he's the best. He has many books out, but his best book, probably, or the most well-known one, is Fire Within. Fire Within. And it's about Teresa of Avila and St. John of the Cross and the Gospel on prayer. Father Thomas Dubay, very nice man. Now, he has a couple of videos on YouTube. You can watch him there. There is some audio available. He did a series of programs, 30-minute programs on a whole series on prayer, a whole series on contemplative prayer or contemplation, an entire series on John of the Cross, and an entire series on Teresa of Avila. Each one was like 12 or 13 or 14 episodes. They're just fantastic. As far as I'm concerned, if you want to read about contemplative prayer, something that has a bit of intellectual substance to it, and someone who seems to get it, who does get it, then he's the one. So his audio is not that easy to find. There are also some videos available where the series were on the EWTN, and so they were done for television, but the audio is available. But it's hard to find. And like I said, there are some DVDs which you can actually buy and they're offered by, I think, EWTN and a couple of other places. They're not the easiest to find, but they're well worth it. If you're interested in contemplative prayer, then he's very good.